we have track students' progress on career goals and also strengthen industry and alumni linkages. For the activities, we have two. First is conduct follow-up interviews and career tracking surveys. And the second one is to organize career talks, mentorship, meetups, and workplace exposure. For the timeline, we are going to conduct this quarterly and every semester. And the materials needed are the career goal sheet survey forms, student portfolio, invitation, AV equipment, and the venue. Next, placement service. For the objective, empower students by providing information on senior high school track, college courses, and career pathing, and help students align their education with their individual aspirations and interests. For the activity, we are going to create a directory of different senior high school, tracks and strand, colleges and state universities and trade school within the community of the school. For the timeline, it says here that February 2026. And for the materials needed, senior high school and college directory. So for the both of the budget, we included here charge to MOOE, and for the persons in charge or responsible, we are going to this will be spearheaded by the career guidance advocates, and for the last one is success indicator. And 80% of the students show updated and refined career goals, and at least 2 events held with active student participation. And also, we are going to include student testimonial in our what we call this success indicator. Next, research. Acquire and apply knowledge of current labor market trends in demand, skills, and emerging industries. For this one, activity, labor market information, trend analysis, and then the next one is conduct research on student needs, career aspiration, and post-secondary plans within the school's population. And for the activity, student career needs assessment survey. These are going to be conducted quarterly and at the start of the school year. For the materials needed, we need to access to industry publications and professional network subscription to government reports such as DOLE and PSA, and online survey tool or paper questionnaires. And for the persons in charge, again, career guidance advocate, and for the success indicator, quarterly labor market information and trends report, comprehensive report on student career interests and challenges, which will then be used to tailor guidance program. And for the evaluation, we have 2 objectives: assess implementation